How to light a candle by Pedro Maia. Today we are going to learn how to light a candle. You will need a candle and a support for the candle so you don't burn your surroundings. Matches are also important to ignite the candle. How to open the matchbox? Simply push your finger in the white area of the matchbox. Now that you have access to a match, let's see how we can light it by taking a closer look. How to ignite a match? Use friction on the red zone of the matchbox, just like this. Lighting the candle requires you to bring the fire to the rope that the candle has. Now, it is important to put the flames out on your match after you are done. Blow your match with a tactical exhale aimed at the fire. Although you can use this technique for the candle, we are going to teach you an advanced method to put out candles. Moisten your fingers with saliva and press the fire with them, effectively putting out the fire. You learn how to light a candle.